How's it going, SafeMoon family, SafeMoon Spartans? This is Spartan Investor here with another video, and you already know it's just for you. I honestly hope you guys have been doing well. It's been a crazy 24 hours for SafeMoon, but I honestly hope you guys are doing well, holding it down and pushing through what seems to be a ridiculous dip, right? Man, it's been crazy. But you know what? Spartan Investor has already bought up some of this dip right here. So no matter what, like for me, I feel like the Safe Moon army, the true hodlers in Safe Moon right now, when they saw this downtrend starting yesterday, they were just preparing themselves. Like for me, I was pooling resources from other cryptos I have and just putting them into my BNB so I can just get my Safe Moon when this dip hit this precipice point right here, right? Which I did. And I don't know if it's going to continue, if anything else is going to happen, but if it does, I'll be buying another dip, right? Like I said, I'm always trying to put more and more Safe Moon into my bag. So I'm trying to hit that goal, 5 billion. I'm almost there. I'm almost there, but for the most part, man, not financial advice, definitely not financial advice. Spartan Investor is not a financial advisor. So by all means, do what suits you. But the Safe Moon army is already buying up the dip, and that's what we do. That's what we do, man. Right? Oh my goodness. But man, that's crazy. So we're gonna this video, we're just gonna go through some updates from our CEO John KARONY. We're also gonna take a look at what's actually happening here quickly with this whale selling and what's going on. There's lots of speculations, and I don't know if it's been verified yet, but apparently a whale was dormant and came back to life and just sold what he had. So this is what we're seeing here. And you know what's even more impressive is just the speculations around how much this whale invested initially and then the rewards on that. So we're just going to jump over to Watcher Guru, and then we're going to jump over to Reddit and look at some Reddit posts really quickly. There's some things in there too regarding the blockchain, regarding the exchange that I want to touch on from John KARONY. Some good questions that were asked to John KARONY, and he's been responding. So I want to touch on some things like that as well. Some of it may not seem as good news, but based on how fast the SafeMoon team is going and what they're delivering, I honestly say kudos to them, right? We're already in December, and December has been promised to have some crazy, crazy exciting news and releases. Remember that these guys are doing pretty much the impossible right now with how fast they're going. So we as a SafeMoon army has to be behind them 100%, right? So just going on Watcher Guru's page right here, we see SafeMoon Whale made 60 million off of a $500 investment. I can't even comprehend that. I'm not even gonna say anything regarding that. But anyways, let's go into the details of this article that Watcher Guru posted. Over the course of 2021, several investors made millions of dollars after investing a small amount in rising assets. These include the likes of Dogecoin, Solana, we know about those, and then other assets, but other assets such as Shiba Inu also garnered mass popularity. SafeMoon is another prime example. The token registered a hike of more than 1,000% during the bull run in May 2021, before the Shiba Inu mania took charge. Since then, SafeMoon has somewhat fallen off the radar, but now an interesting development is taking place on its network. SafeMoon Whale makes 60 million off $500 investment, still unsatisfied. I don't get that. I think something's off somewhere. In a recent discovery, it was identified that an address bought 15 trillion SafeMoon tokens back on March 3rd, 2021 for an estimated $500 to $700. That is ridiculous. Currently, the wallet's net worth is over $35 million with 14.5 trillion tokens remaining. The profit margin is gigantic from the initial investment. However, the investor appeared non-satisfied over the past few years. So what is the actual situation? It is difficult to confirm based on the findings, but suppositions suggest that the investor involved in those messages is not the same as the original buyer. The possible reasoning is that the new whale got into the market recently in order to make a quick buck. It could have been due to a tip-off or possibly manipulation strategy. I'm gonna end on that note because I don't know what's going on, but just if this is real, and I think it is because we can see that reflected in our market, right? We can see that reflected in our price point and how crazy that dip was, right? But if this is real, this whale made 59 million $999,500 off of a $500 investment. If this is real, if everything in here is real and the story goes the way it's supposed, then that is incredible. And that's why when I make my reflections video about SafeMoon, nobody should say anything because those numbers are not impossible. Like, this is proof in itself. Yes, it was early investment. Yes, it was pre-sale investment, but even in that, that is ridiculous, man. Let's go over to Reddit and see what some of the Reddit posts are. I saw when you die, but you just remembered you have 20 trillion SafeMoon tokens. This is pretty impressive. Wait, I've called SafeMoon customer service. They told me to hold. Yes, and that is the point of this video. You gotta hold on because you know what? People don't invest out of your emotions. I always say that. Don't invest out of your emotions. When the market fluctuates, don't fluctuate with the market. You let the market do its thing. Let your investment grow. Right? Let your investment grow. And later on, you'll see the reward. SafeMoon is a long term investment, right? You should have that mindset from the get go. So, to the Safe Moon army, the Safe Moon Spartans out there, hodl the life out of those tokens. Don't you dare sell. I mean, if you have to, you gotta do what you gotta do. It's your hard earned money, it's your investment. But man, if you can, hodl, man, because the future is bright. The rewards in the future are lavish. So, man, if you can, hodl. If you call Spartan Investor as customer service, I will tell you to hold. Hold. Here's another one. Man wakes up from 8-month coma to $60 million. He participated in a crypto pre-sale by the name of SafeMoon. That week he was involved. I'm guessing it was like a car accident. Here's something from JK. Based on my briefing today, regulations for the exchange is going really good. While exchange is likely not to happen before Christmas, due to filing time turnarounds, that doesn't matter. After the restructuring, I'm now getting actual timelines and progress based on solid information. Okay, good. Thanks, JK. Thank you, John KARONY. We have more features coming in the wallet and more listed pairs, all happening on chain. I will be talking about Operation Phoenix though, which V2 is a part of. It's all coming together nicely. It's why I don't flinch at fudders, because I know what is coming. We are inevitable. Let's go. That was about the exchange. We might not see the exchange until post Christmas, so may not be on this side of the year. Just saying. All right? Next one for the blockchain. So Mr. Darkness asked, Captain, is the blockchain still on track for this year, or has that been postponed for next year or to next year? And Captain replied, blockchain is delayed due to legacy issues. Don't know what that is about. I won't go into it any further than that. However, V2 is more important at this stage of for product development. Blockchain becomes more relevant in regards to items I have not discussed publicly yet. So again, we might not see the blockchain this side of this year either. Might not see the exchange this year either, but apparently with V2 there's so many other things hinged on that it's actually in and of itself incredible. And I think Papa said the same thing, that V2 in and of itself is impressive and incredible. So we should just hold our horses and get ready. Again, guys, don't you dare jump on the CEO or the dev team about these things, man. Fudhound has been going like, oh man, these guys actually give 110% in their work output. So we should definitely just be supportive of them, whether we get the blockchain this year or the exchange this year. Man, so be it. What if we get it next year? It's fine, 100% fine. Whether we get on the listings this year or next year, it's fine, as long as it's not 6 months out. Right? So I think the dev team is really delivering, and man, I fully 100% support them. So I hope the SafeMoon army just, get together and just literally fully support them as well. Right? So let's do it. Let's do it. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for tuning into Spartan's video. I hope you guys have a great day. Just remember, no retreat, no surrender, straight to the moon. That's where we're heading to. All right, guys. Remember to leave a like, a comment, and definitely a subscribe if you can. Man, thank you guys so much for tuning in again. Have a great evening.